The central government said on Tuesday that a Ramayana cruise service will be launched soon on the river Sarayu at Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh to provide fascinating Ramcharitmanas tour to devotees and tourists. This will be the first ever luxury cruise service on the holy Sarayu River, and the main goal of the project is to provide a mesmerizing experience of the divine journey to devotees visiting holy city Ayodhya, the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways said in a statement. Ports, Shipping and Waterways Minister Mansukh Mandavia chaired a review meeting on Tuesday for the implementation of cruise service. It will be the first ever luxury cruise service on the Sarayu River in Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. It aims to give mesmerizing experience to devotees with one-of-its-kind spiritual journeys while cruising through the famous ghats of the holy river Sarayu, the ministry said. The cruise will be equipped with all luxury comfort and facilities along with all essential safety and security features at par with a global standard. The interiors of the cruise and the boarding point will be based on the theme of Ramcharitmanas, the statement said. The fully air-conditioned 80-seater cruise will have large glass windows for experiencing the scenic beauty of ghats. It said, adding that the cruise will be equipped with kitchen and pantry facilities for the comfort of the tourists. It will contain bio-toilets and hybrid engine systems for the zero effect on the environment. Tourists will be taken on the Ramcharitmanas tour of 1 to 1.5 hour duration, featuring an exclusively made video film of 45 to 60 minutes duration, based on Ramcharitmanas by Goswami Tulsidas, covering the period from the birth of the Lord Ram to his Rajyabhishek. The entire tour will cover the approximately 15 to 16 kilometer distance, the statement said. There will be several activities and selfie points inspired by various episodes of Ramayana. It said, adding that the tour will be followed by Sarayu Aarti, in which every member will be able to actively participate. The statement said about 2 crore tourists visit the birthplace of Lord Ram, Ayodhya, which is also the first of the 7 most important pilgrimage sites for the Hindus. After completion of Ram Mandir, it is to be believed that the inflow of the tourists will be increased. Ramayana cruise tour will not only attract a large number of tourists, but it will also generate direct and indirect employment opportunities in the region, the statement said. The Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways will provide all necessary infrastructure support for the smooth operation of the cruise service, it added. News Desk Kaumudy, English.